Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. WordPress is up to date, and you have a backup ready. Next, install Astra and the Starter Templates plugin, then open Appearance and activate Astra. Do not skip activation. Once done, browse Starter Sites and import one that matches your site layout because it populates pages, menus, and customizer settings for you. Make sure to keep the import options minimal at first. Import content only if you need it, so you won't overwhelm the demo with unnecessary assets. Now focus on structure. Open the customizer and configure header layout, footer widgets, colors, and typography because visual consistency reduces redesign later. Adjust global layout settings, container width, sidebar placement, and set blog index options for post excerpts and meta. Then, integrate your page builder of choice. With Elementor, import Astra's custom templates and replace demo content section by section. Once you replace core content, test responsive breakpoints and tweak spacing. This prevents layout shifts on phones and tablets while keeping design predictable. Finish by optimizing performance. Enable whatever Astra options apply, add a caching plugin, and preload critical CSS while minifying assets to reduce load times. Then validate interactive elements, forms, menus, and schema markup, and configure your SEO plugin plus an XML sitemap. If something breaks, deactivate recently added plugins to isolate a conflict, check the browser console for errors, and clear all caches including CDN. Finally, make incremental backups after each successful change so you can restore to a known good state if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.